I completely failed at making this video. This definitely shouldn't happen. I planned this video for months. I planned this video for weeks. And every single time that I got in my car, I was reminded about this video. So I guess what I'm trying to say is that there's no reason other than my own that this video would have been a flop or would have failed. Let me explain. I bought this Subaru Legacy to be my road warrior, to be the vehicle that I just get in and go and drive. And I think based off of my odometer, like, I've achieved that. 14,000, just call it 15,000 miles in roughly the last 4 months, 5 months. So I would say that the road warrior thing, like this vehicle, like I'm getting my use out of it and I'm getting the purpose of why I bought it. I feel like the only time that I wash my car is just a quick little rinse in the car wash, right? Like I just take the hose and I start rinsing it. So that's what brought this whole video idea up. This past weekend I got with my little cousin and we went to the car wash with the goal of trying to see how much money I would spend on my vehicle to get it completely cleaned after not cleaning it for like the last 2 or 3 months. So I guess the only thing for us to do is just for me to show you kind of like what went down, and then we'll recap it all at the end. So just take a look at it real quick. Here's what happened this past weekend at the car wash. When you get back, I'll tell you how much money I spent and how well my car was cleaned or not cleaned. So check it out. When I took that brush and I went all the way across my car, like, did you cringe a little bit? All those scratches, all that nastiness in that brush just all over my paint. I was cringing the whole entire time. I think that's partially due to the fact now that I do a lot of work and I work with Ceramic Pro here in Sarasota, and I know how bad it messes the paint up. So in saying that, the whole reason why I wanted to do this video was just to see how much money it was gonna cost me and how clean it would get my car. It ended up shutting off at $10. So I was on the very last clicker, I was on the very last phase, shut off at 10 bucks. I would assume it would probably have costed me like $12, $13 had it kept going. And as far as cleanliness goes, I would say that it did an okay job. Probably better than if I would have taken it through like the automatic car wash, like the automatic portion of it. Let me show you my front end. I drove this 2 days since, so a lot of this stuff is pretty fresh. But it did a pretty good job overall. I would say maybe 6 out of 10. Just for running it through that quick car wash, that $13 job. On another note, I'm gonna take my car back there one more time, probably this coming weekend, and I'll do another video on it because the Subaru is going through changes right now. I wanna see if you guys can pick up, just by me like showing it to you, can you pick up a change that has already been done to the Subaru? Let me show you. Look at that, the Subaru got fresh window tint the other day, ceramic window tint. So that's one change that has been done to the Subaru. And then today it's gonna get another change. It's gonna be going under ceramic coating. So it'll get a full paint correction, it'll get ceramic coated, and then I'll take it back to the car wash and see how long it's taken me to get that done. So compliments to Ceramic Pro Sarasota. Yeah, we've been making videos for those guys, like a lot of videos. So I'm gonna link, let me show you a vlog that I did with the owner here at Ceramic Pro Sarasota right now while they're getting ready to pull my car into the shop. In the meantime, Corvettes, Z06s, This place is insane. There's like always something new going on here. So check out the vlog that I had with the owner, and then I'll link the full video like up here whenever we're done. What's up?
What's up, buddy? You ready to go get this boat?
I didn't tell him what we were doing yet, so you just spoiled. You just gave him a
spoiler alert? Spoiler alert?
That's a spoiler alert.
Oh, spoiler alert. Spoiler alert. Riding with the boss.
I've always wanted to ask Joe this, and I've never asked him this. Joe's got a nickname, and his nickname is Ceramic Pro Joe. What's it feel like to have such a cool nickname?
Well, was not easy. It's probably the hundreds and hundreds, if not over thousands of coatings that we've done now. So I like it. I think at the end of the day, I think we've earned it. I like the name.
I think it kind of flows. Like if I was like Video Cody, like that doesn't just go as well as like Ceramic Pro Joe. So
yeah, I can dig it.
He just gave it away. We're going to do something that we do pretty much daily. And again, it's my fault because I've never really showed you this part of the business before, but we're inside his diesel truck right now. We're going to go pick up a boat. And then in this case, we're gonna bring it back to the shop and do a coating on it and a paint correction, or I should say a correction and a coating. And then we'll deliver it back to the customer. And again, this is something that we do very, very regularly. And it's just on me because I haven't showed you guys. The Subaru, it's in the back right now getting ceramic coated. And I'm pretty happy about that. So what we're gonna do is later in the week, we're gonna go back to the car wash. We're gonna run my car through the car wash and see if I spend the same amount of money. Here's a Viper video that I worked on this week. I'll see you guys later in the week. Oh, that was awkward.